Welcome to another episode of Michael's Minute. I'm your host, Michael Fennell. I'm here at the Bob Tiffin Service Center in Red Bay, Alabama. We are looking at a 2340 IP Tiffin Allegro bus today, and I'm going to show you about the Lippert entry step and the maintenance that we are to be performing on those. Stay tuned and we'll show you. Okay, so we're looking at our Lippert entry step, and what we want to focus on is the tracks on these entry steps. They build up with dirt and grime over time from the road, and so we want to do a maintenance procedure on these to keep these operating smoothly and freely and produce less strain on your motor. Now, in the previous video, we went over stepping on these entry steps as they're moving in and out, and you don't want to do that because that puts extra strain on this motor. So what we're going to start with is we're going to look at the outer tracks on this step. We're going to clean these first. We're going to spray them down with a solution of Dawn dishwashing soap and water, and we want to take a scrubbing brush and just brush them really good inside and out. And then when we let them dry out, we want to come back and we want to lube them with WD-40 or T9. Now, once you get these outer tracks clean, you want to make sure that you want to come back around with this box out, and you want to get under the motorhome and make sure that your key's out of the ignition and you have this chalked up and there's no movement. You want to make sure and get the tracks that are inside the box, which we'll show you in this video. Just want to make sure and get those really good and clean and lubed down as well. And at any point you do not feel comfortable doing this or unable to perform this type of maintenance, just use this video as an informational video for you to pass this along to your service advisor. And we appreciate you being with us again, Tiffin family, for this video. We hope you find this information helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, happy trails.